Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Chronicles, where we showcase 65 unbelievable moments on the road that you won't believe. Turn up the sound for the best experience while watching. Let's go. The car was going at maximum speed and collided with the car on the opposite side. Luckily, everything was fine and nothing serious happened. The black Honda tried to cross the lane to get ahead and caused a collision with the car next to it.
Normally do like so. Last time I went to Vegas, I went with my partner.
Holy. I gotta go. There was a wreck.
Both drivers did not want to give way to the other, leading to this unexpected incident. What do you think about this situation? The pickup truck caused a collision with the black car when turning left because the distance between the two cars was too close. Which car do you think was at fault in this case? Leave a comment below to let us know your opinion. The idiot in the white car caused the accident by braking hard and changing lanes too suddenly, while driving at maximum speed.
So as much as I get and as cool as these are, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of felt like
The road surface was too slippery, causing the car in front to lose balance and cause an accident. Don't drive too fast in inclement weather to stay safe. Which car do you think is responsible for this collision? Onto the road behind the Tesla, 150 miles per hour. The car behind suddenly accelerated and drove straight into the back of the Tesla in front. As a result, both cars were completely damaged. A bad driver caused a collision when driving out of a gas station. He turned around and drove away immediately. A gray car suddenly lost control and collided with a blue pickup truck going in the same direction. Perhaps the gray car had an accident before. You can see the rear of the car is dented.
Stop!
Slow down and pay attention when approaching intersections. What do you think about this collision? Perhaps the car was going too fast on the slippery road, causing it to hydroplane and collide with the concrete divider. What happened to the two cars? Perhaps the road was so slippery that the driver in the car behind could not control it. No other cars were involved in the collision and were affected in this incident. The collision at an intersection was caused by a stupid driver. As a result, both cars were completely damaged, and luckily, no one was injured. The car had an accident and ran out of the lane while trying to swerve to avoid the cars in front. The idiot in the pickup truck drove the wrong way and collided with the car behind. Do you think he got a ticket? The collision happened so quickly and unexpectedly that I couldn't believe my eyes. Drive slowly and keep a safe distance from surrounding cars when participating in traffic in the rain to avoid unfortunate incidents that may occur. What do you think happened to those cars? Thank you for watching this episode of Idiots in Cars. Which moment shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crazy car moments.